Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's July 29, 2026. It's around 7:35. What I will be presenting tonight will be to show you that the power factor of a pure lighting load is actually unity. So in here, I have an incandescent lamp, so it's a pure resistive load, okay? And supposed to be the power factor is unity. Lighting load is actually one of the most uh, thrifty load because it doesn't have a reactive power. It's just the true power and watts. There's no kilobar or bar. It is just simply watts or kilowatts. So right now I am showing you an incandescent lamp, and it's plugged in here. Okay, it's plugged into my kilowatt meter. Kilowatt meter. It's a combination of a watt meter, voltmeter, ammeter, power factor meter, and frequency meter. So if we try to plug in something over here, we could determine the true power consumption of a load, the current consumption, the true power, the reactive power if there is, the frequency, and the power factor. When we are lecturing regarding AC circuit, we are telling that the power factor of a pure lighting load should be 99% or unity. And I just want to show you that the power factor is really unity. Okay, I will try to toggle this one downward. So the applied voltage right now is 120.6 volts AC. Okay. Toggle down. The current consumption is 0.34 amperes AC. Okay. The true power consumption is 41.3 watts. The next one, it's still 41.3 watts. So the true power and the apparent power are actually the same. So meaning to say there's no power triangle here. It is just a straight line. So supposedly this load just consumes true power. So this indicates a pure lighting load. One more toggle. The frequency is 60 Hertz. Okay. One more toggle. That's PF, right? Power factor. So the power factor is actually 99% or 1. So ladies and gentlemen, as a proof, okay, that the power factor of any pure lighting load is just 99% or just unity. That is it. That's the incandescent lamp, which is a pure lighting load. Okay, it's plugged in here. And like what I said, the power factor of a pure lighting load is actually 1. Unity. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is just to show you that the power factor of a pure lighting load is actually 100% or unity. Good evening from Los Angeles.